If you've been trying to earn money online and have watched innumerable videos on how to make money online, today is your lucky day because I'll be sharing you something that I recently found. And it is completely effective. When I learned how effective this strategy is, I instantly thought of making a video about it to share with you. It is, in my opinion, by far the simplest method to generate money online. And you don't need to be an expert in tech. You may accomplish this using either your PC or your mobile phone. And it is open to everyone on the globe. Consider my earnings from this strategy, which I will share with you today. I was only doing this for a short time, yet I was able to make this much money. All payments made to my account are listed here. And in this video, I'll teach you how to earn like this as well. But first, welcome to Money Intelligence, where we show you how to make money online in the simplest way possible. Please subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on future videos. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime we release a new video on how to make money online, you will be the first to know and you will be able to start making things happen right away. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. Please don't be shy about leaving a comment down below if you have any concerns, questions, or thoughts regarding the video. Let's get back to the video now, shall we now? So in this video, I'll teach you how to earn money by just using the website creativeelev.com. This is the first time I'm going to mention this website on my channel. And in general, this website provides a variety of lessons to those who desire to study online. But don't worry, you won't be joining up as a student on this website since I found a more efficient way to earn money from it. And I'll tell you about it in this video. Okay, anyone who wants to learn anything may subscribe to this website and have access to over 2,000 classes given by the world's best specialists. This website contains a large number of classes that anyone may access 24/7. One of the finest features of this website is that users may save the movies and view them later. They offer classes for photo and video, self-improvement, lighting, portrait, money and finance, sketching, posing, wedding, graphic design, videography, and so much more, as you can see here. To see all of the classes, please click on See All Classes right here. And then you will be led to this page, where they will show you all of the available classes, of which there are many. You might be thinking how much money we can generate from this website right now. Actually, you may earn anywhere from $478 to $645. And you can make this money passively, which means you just need to set it up once and then sit back and wait for the money to flow in. Isn't it cool? You can now check how many people are now using this website directly on their homepage. Furthermore, this website is used by over 10 million individuals from all over the world. That's a lot of people, which means there's a lot of money to be made. I encourage you to watch this video all the way to the end because I'll be showing you some special additional tips that are only available in my video. There aren't many individuals who talk about the tips I'm about to present to you. So you're really fortunate to be watching this video right now, since the only way we can generate money from this website is through affiliate marketing. So, in essence, we will refer others to join up for this website. Then we'll get paid every time someone signs up using our affiliate link. I'll teach you how to acquire your own affiliate link later, as well as where you may perhaps distribute that link to get a lot of people to click on it. You will also receive your affiliate commissions. Continue to view this video, and I'll show you in a second. This is completely legal, and your income potential on this website is limitless. You do not need to invest any of your hard-earned money to begin doing this. You can essentially do this for free, and at the end of the day, you will receive your affiliate commissions. This is a win-win situation for both you and the user who clicks your affiliate link because they can learn a lot on this website. When they sign up, you will receive your commissions. Don't worry, people don't need to pay a lot of money because they can sign up for as little as $12.42. They will also gain access to a large number of lessons on this website. That's a win-win situation for both you and the individual who clicked your link. Now I'll walk you through the process of becoming an affiliate on this website. And I really want you to pay attention to this portion because I'm going to teach you how to do it live. Some individuals have skipped this step and have not been able to earn any money, and I don't want that to happen to you. So take a seat, relax, and keep watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's return to the video. To begin earning money as an affiliate, simply go down to the very bottom of the page and under Join Us, you'll see Become an Affiliate, which I want you to do. If you click on that one, you will be brought to their affiliate program website where you can see how the affiliate program may help you make money by linking your audience to outstanding content. When we scroll down, we can discover that they truly share 30% of the sales from new clients. One of the wonderful features of their affiliate program is that you can watch your profits in real time, and they provide some comprehensive reporting capabilities. Another feature of their affiliate program that I enjoy is that you may still earn commissions on all purchases made by recommended clients within 30 days of the initial click. So even if the person who clicked your link did not make a purchase from their website immediately away, you can still earn money if they decide to make a purchase within 30 days. Okay, you could be thinking that a 30% commission isn't that big of a deal. But allow me to demonstrate. If customers buy this class for $49, you will receive 30% of the price. That works out to be approximately $15. That's all. You now have $15 in your account. Isn't it simple? Consider how many people might click on your affiliate link. That's a lot of money pouring into your account. Don't worry, because I'll show you later how to share your link and get a lot of people to click on it. If you wish to join their affiliate program, then click this Sign Up button right here, and you will be taken to this website where you can join up as an affiliate. I just want to remind you that this is completely free. You do not need to pay anything to sign up for a free account. So you may learn more about their affiliate program on this link. And I'll leave it up to you to read through before continuing with the enrollment procedure. Simply fill in your personal information in these sections. When you're finished, simply click this button to move on to the next stage. Once you've completed the sign-up procedure, you can begin sharing your affiliate link with others and earning affiliate commissions. And, as you can see, there are many classes that you may share with others. And you'll be able to earn money anytime they buy that class. Isn't that a no-brainer? As I stated in the beginning of the video, I'm going to show you various places where you may publish your affiliate link and earn a lot of traffic. The first website is something that many of you may be aware with Twitter. Simply go to twitter.com and join up for a free account. Once you've created an account, the next step is to go to Twitter's search box and type in something like how to edit using Adobe Photoshop or a similar inquiry. When you click search, Twitter will display you some relevant searches. All you have to do is click on them to interact with someone. You may now refer the individual to creativeelev.com after you've created a connection with them, making use of your affiliate link. And if they buy a Creative Live class, you will receive commissions. The next website is Quora.com. This is a website where individuals may visit to ask questions. So, in the search box, simply type in the same thing you did on Twitter, and then interact with any of these queries, directing them to the Creative Live website via your affiliate link. They may also now buy a class and learn from it. That's another affiliate commission added to your earnings. The final website where you may get a lot of traffic is Facebook, which you probably use every day. After you've logged in, simply put graphic design into the search box and press the search button. The next step is to refine the search and choose groups. You will now be able to notice that there are a lot of Facebook groups discussing graphic design. Simply join these groups and begin interacting with the members. If they are interested in learning about graphic design, direct them to Creative Live and provide them with your affiliate link. That's how simple it is to make money on the Creative Live website. You may simply repeat this process till you reach your desired revenues. That's the end of it. It's been Money Intelligence. Subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.